Hello viewers, here in this video I'm going to show how to fix a dead phone. Right, fixing a dead phone depends on the cause of the issue. Here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and permanently fix it. Number 1, checking the power and charging on the phone, whether it's the phone which having the problem or the charger. Under this, try a different charging cable and adapter. Use a different outlet or power source. Maybe the power source which you are using is not connecting properly with the phone or the charge. Leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. Even if the screen stays black, sometimes the battery will be at low voltage, so it needs time for the battery to gain to its 3,7. Inspect the charging port for dirty, that is dust, debris, and clean it carefully. Force reset is for number 2. For iPhone, here is what you are supposed to do. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Right. For Android, press and hold power volume down or volume up depending on models for about 10 to 20 seconds. Check for physical damages. Look carefully for signs of water damage or cracks. In this video, I will show you the signs of if a phone is a water damaged phone. Right. If it is being dropped or submerged, it may need professional repairs. Right. If you suspect that this phone is dropped or submerged, now you have to look for professional repairs. Number 4, connect it to a computer. Plug the phone into a computer to see if it's recognized. If it shows up, try backing up your data and restore the device using iTunes for iPhone or a relevant tool for Android like Samsung Smart Switch or ADB. Reboot recovery mode is for number 5. You can try rebooting into recovery mode to reset or restrain the system. This method depends on your phone model. Thank you, viewers. So, to recap, let's check first these 5 points. We have learned the 5 points on how to fix a dead phone. Number 1 is to check power and charging. Number 2 is to force a restart. Number 3 is to check for physical damages. Number 4, connect to a computer. Number 5 is to boot into recovery mode. All these 5 points can help to make your phone come back to life. But if you can't make it on these 5, now look for a professional repairs. Thank you, viewers. If this video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come your way. Thank you.